welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to be making this very long 60 inches braids I got online. Very long hair. I haven't made hair as long as this. I'm hoping that it will get to like my waist. I'm going to be parting my hair off camera and we'll be showing you guys how I make this hair. It's midday already. It's 12 o'clock and hopefully I'm hoping that I'll finish in 6 hours. In between I'm doing a lot of other things. Okay, all right, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, why haven't you subscribed? Why haven't you guys subscribed? And you're watching this video, click the subscribe button, click it right now, right now, and continue watching this video. Okay, each of the hair already came pre-sectioned, so pre-section and pre-stretched, so I don't really need to do so much. So this is what it looks like. Just need to put it on this stand. So this stand I got from Amazon, so it just makes your life easy. So I'm hoping to be able to do the front, sides and back at least today. So if I'm not able to finish, I'll still be able to rock the hair out until I'm able to do the middle part.
I clean as blue white teeth, don't compare it to me, we ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team, I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. Moving hella quick, don't blink, you gon' miss me. In the city swerving in a whip like I'm drifting. Don't be playing games over here, but get risky. No, I got the wave over here, I'm insisting. Tried to show you the way, but you ain't listening. We gon' do it the same, I'm too different. So I don't hear what you saying, ain't no denying the flame. But I got ice in my veins, so I glisten. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic, thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me, we ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team, I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. If I ain't bring the pressure, who gon' hold it down? If I ain't chef it up, then who can show you how? Everything exquisite, yeah, you know my style. You ain't really with it, you should throw in the towel. If you ain't with the functions, you should tell me something, cause I'ma stay emotional, I don't wait for nothing. I think I know why they upset. We some winners, so we finna run it up quick. I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic, thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad at I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me, we ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team, I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. It's hard to miss it, ayy. You are optimistic, ayy, ayy. You ain't really with it, I see, ayy, ayy. I could score enough for the whole team, I should need 5 rings. I saw the weed bent over, and I was afraid for no reason at all. The wind can't move my weight, I'm safe. The rationale's not working for me. These normal things get scary without you, like the movies you never see, squeezing me, peeking out at the TV. And I'm young right now, won't put my feet up. I miss my own for a chance I dreamed of. The darkest moments, the silly horsing around, but the sound of my FaceTime doesn't wake you up. At midnight, I leave my room to get air. I go outside, I started walking, but I'm freaked out by the clouds that I'd hardly have noticed with you. Only a month, then I'm on a plane home, but you still have work. We strike a balance that's painful. I won't ask for more of your time. You'd give it up and you always respect mine. So my ambition's second to you.
If what matters takes our time, our priorities screwed. We just cycle through stages of life, through horizons arrive. Or will the goalposts always constantly move? Cause while I may be young right now, won't put my feet up, I miss my home for a chance I dreamed of. The darkest moments, the silly horsing around. I stay grounded because I know you leave it for me, like I would leave it for you. Don't wanna get to that place where I become what I do. You're the context of me, and cherry pick who I am when you're gone. So shook, chameleon, tending to headstrong. I watch the storm roll over, and I was afraid for no reason at all. Where my loyalty is placed, I'm safe.
Hey, I shine, it's hard to miss it. You are so optimistic. Thinking you could get like me. You ain't really bad that I see. I clean as new white teeth, don't compare it to me. We ain't in the same league. I could score enough for the whole team. I be feeling like Dean, I should need 5 rings. Move a little quick, don't blink. You gon' miss me in the city, swerving in the whip.
I was so excited, so I finished making this hair in less than 6 hours, even though I was taking breaks in between. Oh, I really like it. I actually did a good job, even though I'm saying so myself. If you've watched up to this point, you're a star. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and staying tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're watching this video with your full chest, subscribe, support your girl, guys. And if you've subscribed and you've been watching my videos, thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.
I could score enough